for various salon owners, salon chains, as well as beauticians in the country to actually get together and understand what are the technology trends in the sector, what does the future look like. So I'm very impressed with the quality of the entire event and the quality of the participants.
And finally, how do you think the forum adds a fresh perspective to the industry? If I talk particularly about Salon Management Congress.
I think the forum, see, what it does is it brings some of the leading voices in this industry in front of the rest of the industry, and it talks about what are the innovations that are happening, whether those are around services, around technology, around the products that are being used. Some companies will always be at the leading edge of innovation, and the rest of the industry will follow. A forum like this helps the rest of the industry to actually understand what is that leading edge innovation and how can they adopt it.
And finally, what is the way forward? Any suggestions, any feedback that you would like to give about the forum, about the conference overall?
I'd love to have more beauticians in the forum. I think in the forum right now, there are lots of salon owners, which is understandable. But I think there should be more participation from the real voices of this industry, which are actually beauticians.